Hello everyone. Welcome to English Minded. Do you want to speak English easily in your daily life? Today, we are going to learn the simple present tense, but not just the rules. We will learn how to use it in real life. In this video, I will teach you 5 important uses, and for each use, you will learn 5 simple sentences. So, let's start.
First use is daily routines. We use the simple present tense to talk about things we do every day. These are our daily activities. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Second use is habits. We use the simple present tense to talk about things we do regularly, not just today. I drink coffee every day. I drink coffee every day. She reads books at night. She reads books at night. They play cricket on weekends. They play cricket on weekends. He watches TV in the evening. He watches TV in the evening. We visit our grandparents every month. We visit our grandparents every month. Use number 3 is for general truths. We use the simple present tense to talk about facts that are always true. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. The earth goes around the sun. The earth goes around the sun. Ice melts in heat. Ice melts in heat. Use number 4 is timetables and schedules. We use the simple present tense to talk about fixed schedules, like buses, trains, or classes. The train leaves at 6 p.m. The train leaves at 6 p.m. The class starts at 9 a.m. The class starts at 9 a.m. The bus arrives at 8 o'clock. The bus arrives at 8 o'clock. The meeting begins at 10 a.m. The meeting begins at 10 a.m. School opens at 7:30 a.m. School opens at 7:30 a.m. Use number 5 is for feelings and opinions. We use the simple present tense to talk about what we feel and what we think. I like tea. I like tea. She loves music. She loves music. They hate loud noise. They hate loud noise. I think this is a good idea. I think this is a good idea. We believe in hard work. We believe in hard work. Now you know how to use the simple present tense in real life. Practice these sentences every day and you will improve your English step by step. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Minded for more English lessons. See you in the next video.